Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jay and I'm going to show you how to edit beach photo using Lightroom Mobile. I also suggest that you watch until the end of this video where I will be giving you a free preset that you can download and use to edit your photos. Let's start it. Okay, open your Lightroom Mobile application and then select the picture that you want to edit. Now, go to the Lights panel and adjust the exposure to plus 0.25. Contrast to minus 45. Highlights to minus 55. Shadows to plus 35, whites to minus 15, and blacks to plus 7. And now, go to the curve turn, adjust the curve like this. And then, when you finish, click Done. Now, go to the Color panel, skip the temperature, adjust the tint to plus 13, and skip the vibrance, and then adjust the saturation to minus 10. And then, go to the Color Mix, go to Red, adjust the hue to minus 20, saturation to minus 18, go to orange, adjust hue to +5, saturation to -31, and luminance to +11. Go to yellow, saturation to +20. Go to green, adjust the saturation to -81. Go to cyan, adjust the hue to +10 and luminance to -11. Go to blue, adjust the hue to -5, saturation to -20 and luminance to -42. Go to purple, adjust the hue to +19, saturation to -34, and then go to magenta, adjust the hue to +20 and saturation to -34 and click done. Okay, I think I need to edit the skin tone look more pop-up. So now, go back to the color panel and go to the curve turn and adjust the skin tone like this. Then click done. Now go to the effect panel and adjust the vignette to +15 and go to the details panel, adjust the sharpening to 25. Okay, that is all. You can tap and hold the screen to check the before and after comparison. And also, like I said in the beginning of this video, I'll be giving you a free preset that I made from this photo. Just go to the description of this video, there you will find the link to a free preset that I create for you guys. I've also made a video how to install Lightroom mobile preset that you can check in the description of this video. Okay, that's it guys. I hope that you found it helpful. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more content related to photography. Thank you and see you on the next video.